Hi everyone, I'm Noga, part of our Teams team here at Microsoft. There are so many conversations happening in channels, from typical weekly status updates or asking a question. But sometimes I have a bigger message I need to stand out so it gets everyone's attention. For moments like this, I use an announcement, which is kind of a visible shout out. Let's create an announcement to welcome a new hire to our team together. To take a conversation from standard chit chat to an attention grabbing announcement, start a new conversation. Then, select the text editor tool and choose announcement from the drop down on the left. Add a banner image behind the headline or change the banner color to something bright. Add a headline Welcome, Nestor. Include a subheader like Join Nestor for coffee on Monday morning. Then enter your text here, including some facts about the new team member. And even add a fun welcome GIF. Hit send, and you can see how much your announcement stands out from the general conversation. The next time you have a message everyone needs to hear, post an announcement. It's an easy way to cut through the noise, make a big impact. Be sure to subscribe to get more tips and how to's on all you can do with Microsoft Teams.